Hi guys, I am Sai Satvik from Modern Education, and today I'll be explaining you how to convert non-terminating decimal to the P by Q format. It is quite difficult, but today I'll be telling you the easiest method to solve in less than 10 seconds for objective type questions. Now I'll be teaching a method how to solve in less than 10 seconds to convert into P by Q format, and in this method you just require only one step. But for the long method you require many further steps. So first I'll be solving all these 4 questions in the trick method. So what's the first question? 1.6 bar. So listen carefully until till the end of the video, then you'll be perfect in this. If there's a slight mistake, you might get the question, you might get the whole answer as wrong. So let's get started with the first question. So the first step is that write all the digits in the order. So 1 and 6. Okay, write it. Next, you should subtract the digits which does not have bar. So in this 1 6 which does not have a bar, it is 1. So subtract 1. Okay. Now you should divide by 9. Now how will we know the how much number of 9s we gotta divide? It based on the number of digits in the bar. If there is 1 digit in the bar, 1 digit in bar, then there will be 1. You should divide it by 1 9. If there is 2 digits in the bar, then there will be 2 9s here consecutively. So this is 16 minus 1 divided by 1 9, because there is 1 digit in the bar. So 1 9, and that's the answer. So 15 by 9 is gonna be the answer. Now let's cross check. So we'll do the long method. So first we should assume that let x is 1.6 bar. Let 10x be 16.6 bar. Why we are doing this method? To get the same bars, to get same constant bars, which is 0.6 bar, 0.6 bar. So when we subtract, we can remove those. So 10x minus x is equal to 16.6 bar minus 1.6 bar. So you can cancel these bars. 15. So 9x is equal to 15 and x is equal to 15 by 9. Okay. So here also you get the x value as 15 by 9, and even here also you get x value as 15 by 9. So this method can be used. So let's go to the second question. 2.62 bar. 2.62, and the bar is only on 2. Okay, so let's do the fast method. So the first step, you should remember, write all the digits. This is constant for everything, however you solve it. So write all the digits. 262. Yeah. Next, subtract the digits which does not have bar. Here what digits does not have bar? 2 and 6. These 2 digits do not have bar. Okay, so minus 2 6 divided by the number of 9s in how many times the bar. So there is only 1 bar, so you should write 1 9. Okay, and now this 6 is in decimal, but it does not have a bar, so you should write 1 0. If there are 2 digits in decimal which does not have a bar, then you should write 1 more 0, but here there's only 1, which is 6. Write 1 0. So 262 minus 26 is 236 divided by 90, and this is the value of x. So 2.62 bar can also be written as 236 divided by 90. Now let's cross check with the long method. So first step of the long method is assume that x is equal to 2.62 bar. Now 10x will be 26.2 bar. Here we should get the constant as 0.2 bar. Now again, if you multiply 100x, which is 100x, multiply by 10, we get 262.2 bar. Here these 2 bars are same, so we can subtract it and cancel it off. So 100x minus 10x would be 90x, which is 262.2 bar minus 26.2 bar. Okay, minus 2 bar cancel. 262 minus 26 is 236. X would be 236 by 90. So we got the same answer here also, 236 divided by 90, here also 236 divided by 90. So the answer is same. So let's move on to the third question. 5.12 bar. 5.12 bar. Okay, the bar is only on 2. So the first step to solve this in this trick way is write all the digits 512 minus the number of digits, the digits which does not have bar, which is 51, divided by, then how many number of 9s should be here? 1 9. Okay, because there's 1 in bar. If there was 2 in bar, like in this question, we should write 2 9s. Okay, so now 0. How many zeros should be there? There's only one digit in decimal, so there should be 1 0. So 512 minus 51 is 461 divided by 90. So 461 divided by 90 will be the answer. Let's do it in the long method. Assume x is 5.12 bar. Now here we can try to get the constant as 0.2 bar. So multiply by 10. 10x equal to 51.2 bar. Again multiply by 10, which is 100x, because 10x into 10 is 100x. This is multiplied by 10, 512.2 bar. So we got the same bar. Here 2 bar, 2 bar. We can subtract it now. So 100x minus 10x is equal to, as we can see here, 512.2 bar minus 51.2 bar. So let's write it here. 512.2 bar minus 51.2 bar. Okay, 2.2. 2 bar 2 bar cancel. 512 minus 51 is 461. So 100x minus 10x is 90. 90x equal to 461. Okay, x equal to 461 divided by 90. Now let's check if the answer is correct or not. Here you got 461 by 90 with the long method, and in the trick method also we got 461 by 90. So the method is absolutely correct. Okay, same answer, 461 by 90. Now moving on to the fourth question, 0.314 bar. Here the bar is on 1 and 4. Okay, so the fourth question is last question, 0.314 bar. Okay, the bar is only on 1 and 4. So the trick, first step is write all the digits 0, 3, 1, 4. Subtract the digits which does not have bar. Here the digits are 0 and 3. Okay, 0 and 3. Subtract 0, 3 minus, divided by, how many number of 9 should be there? Here there are 2 digits in bar. Okay, so there will be 2 9s, 9 and 9. Now should there be a 0? Yes, there is one number in decimal, so there should be a 0. 314 minus 3 is 311 divided by 90. So this is the answer. Let's cross check. Assuming x is 0.314 bar. Okay, now 10x would be 3.14 bar. Here we should get the constant 14 bar. So if you multiply this by 100, we can get the constant 14 bar. So 100 into 10 is 1000. So 1000x would be 314. Yes, 314. This you're multiplying by 100. So 314 point. If you multiply this 1000 by here x, 10, 100, 1000. So 314, same, 14 bar. So here the bar is constant, which is 14 bar, 14 bar. Now subtract these both. 1000x minus 10x is equal to 314.14 bar minus 3.14 bar. Subtract these 14 bars. 314 minus 3 is 311. So 1000x minus 10x would be 990x. 314 minus 3 would be 311. So x would be 311 divided by 990. So the x value here we got is 311 by 990, and even in the shortest method we got the answer as 311 by 90. So I hope that this method benefits you a lot. It can actually save a lot of time if you solve these in objective way. Don't try for subjective way, ma'am. Your ma'am won't give you marks, because for subjective way you should write all these steps. Only then you can get the marks. You can get full marks. So thank you for watching our video. If you like it, please do subscribe.